Bounce those knees. All right. Yesterday, we didn't do, I think we did about 12 minutes. So today we're gonna work those legs and do 20 minutes. Let's see my timer. Yeah. So we're getting stronger every day. We're getting to the habit. Now let's roll. Here we go now. All right, so then we're gonna bring our weight to the right and touch the left foot and touch, step, touch. Good, just shift your weight from one foot to the other and sway. Swing those arms. Good. We're gonna bring both arms to the front and then open. And front and open. Keep doing the step, toe, toe. Shift your weight from one side to the other. Here's Lala. Hey Lala. Hey Lala. She found my husband, he likes to take ice bath. And somehow this morning she fell in the bath. It was icy cold. She did not like that. And I wouldn't either. I don't like ice bath, I like hot bath. All right, swing those arms out to side. Okay, so we're gonna start tapping on the step. We're gonna start with the right foot. Right foot up and then switch left. And bring arms to the front and then down. Try to lead from the wrist. Now we're gonna go a bit faster. And we go. 1, 2, 3. Now side. Back up, right foot up. Now side right foot, right, left. Okay, bring yourself forward to the center of the step. I'm gonna do a little stretch. So we're gonna start, bring your left foot up and just face this wall. All right, I want you to just try to bring your back leg a bit further and just keep the heel down. We're just gonna lunge forward a little bit more. Nice little stretch. Try not to pass your knees. Don't let your knees pass your foot. And switch. Keep that heel on the ground and just lunge forward a little bit more. Again, always have fun. Exercise is good for you and you should have some joy doing it. The more you kind of bring joy into your workout, of course, the more fun you're gonna have, right? And don't forget to smile. Okay, we're gonna go on top and we're gonna start going down and up. We're gonna start with your right foot, down, down, up, up, down. Okay, we're gonna bring the arms out when you go out, and then in, press out, in. Now a little bit faster, and down, down, up, up. Pretend the air is really heavy, pull it in, and press out. Palms in, palms out. All right, now hold it here. Let's do a little shimmy. Hip shimmy. That's it. You can bring it down, shake it. Okay, now we're gonna go left side out, arms out, palms out, and then in. Out. I'm looking at the mirror. Just want to make sure I'm still recording. Yes, it looks like it. All right. Whew. Keep going. Should feel this a little bit to your tricep. Of course, your legs. And now I'm going to bring it down and hold. What? Okay, swing, swing. Swing those arms out to the side. So I want to add a little twist. So bend those knees a little bit and twist your hips to the front right, then switch left. A little twist. Now twist, twist. All right, now we're going to do a little twist of the shoulders, right, left, twist, twist. And now as you're doing the shoulder twist, a little soft shoulder shimmy, hinge and try to bring it back. So you bring yourself forward, but you hinge from the hip joint and bring it up. And back. And press back. Lean forward, that's it. Back to the twist. Okay, now we're gonna bring our right foot up and we're gonna bring our arms up and touch up. 1, 2, good, 3, 4. Now up, 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 and down. Good. And up, and in, and up. One more time. And then hold it here, back to the twist, twist, twist. Shoulder down, twist. Hinge from your hip joints. Woo. Back to the hip twist. All right, shoulder twist. And now tap up, start with your left foot this time. Up, 1, 2. Okay, now left foot's gonna go up, up. Get ready, up, 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 up and down, left foot. Good, one more time. And do your twist. Whew. Shoulder twist. Now reach up, right foot, and it's up, up, up. Whew. Now hold it up, right foot, up, up. Now bring it down again, press out. Keep going. One more. All right, so now we're gonna go up, but now right foot's gonna go back. Little rock step forward and back. Right foot, back, up, breathe. Swing those arms. Up, up, down. So it's just the right foot going forward and the left foot stay anchored. Arm swinging. Now we're going to add a little leg extension. You ready? You're going to bring your arms out and leg. Good. Down, up, down, reach out. Good job. Woo! Should feel this in your glute here. Up. One more. Now bring it up, 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 down, going to a little twist. Woo! Shoulders. Whew. Hinge and bring it forward. Back to the twist. Shoulder twist. Now left foot, reach up, and you go up, up. Good. Now let's go up, 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 up. Left foot, go down. Good. Press it in and up. Good. Two more. You're doing good. One more. Now I want you to go up, up, down to your right. Now left foot is going to go up, and then the right foot anchors. And then you can bring it back. Left foot rock forward, and then back. Whew. Doing good. Keep going. I'm so proud of you. Keep breathing. We'll do four more, and then we'll get ready for the leg extension. 3. And now leg extension. Bring your arms out and leg out. Good. Keep going. Come on, 2 more. You can do it. Last one. All right, bring it up, up. And now we're gonna go into a twist. Good. All right, we're almost done. I know you can do it. Shoulder twist. This is the time where you kind of just catch your breath. Yeah, la la. Okay, right foot one more time. Up. This is going to be our last step for the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Bring it up. Up, up, down. Four more. 3, 2, 1. Go to your left side. Now bring your right foot up. And now we're going to extend that leg right away for 8. 1, 2. You're doing good. Come on. Yeah. Let me see you groove. Woo. One more. Walk on the step. Up, up. Bring it down. And twist. I know you can. Shoulder twist. Again, down. Hip twist one more time. And shoulders. Now bring your left foot up and arms up. 1, 2. Left foot. 6. Now hold it here. We're going to bring it up, all the way up. Up, 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 down, down. Left foot up, left foot down. Left foot leads. We're almost done. You're doing good. Two more, 2 more. Come on. You can do this. Now up and over. Now left foot, rock forward and then rock back. Extend out the right foot. So left foot rocks forward and back and extend that right foot. Woo, working the butt, the hamstring. Good. Getting so strong. Yes, you're building endurance. You're gonna be able to keep up with me, mother. When we do some ballroom dancing, you'll be able to do it with me. One more. All right, let's walk on top. Last time we're gonna do our twist. We're cooling down. And shoulders. Twist and hinge back. And up. And down. And up. And twist. Yeah, you did it. Woo! Okay, let's bring it back. Cool it down. Just alternate the knees nice and slow. Alternate, right knee, left knee. Excellent. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna bring our step horizontal. Again, we're gonna stay the same block. And we're gonna review some of the stuff you already know. And so I am so proud of you. Keep going. We're gonna do a nice deep breath together before we leave. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. C'est beau, c'est bien, c'est beautiful. À demain. I love you.